In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively analyze your survey results using Surveymonkey. Whether you're aiming for quick insights or a more in-depth exploration of your data, I'm here to guide you through this process with ease and precision. So let's dive right in. When you've completed a survey on Surveymonkey, the next critical step is to analyze the responses you've gathered. To start, you'll want to access the Analyze Results section. This is the hub where you'll spend most of your time sifting through the data. From your survey's main page, head over to the Analyze tab. Think of it as your centralized dashboard, a command center, if you will, for reviewing and interpreting the responses you've collected. This space is designed to make the analysis process as intuitive and seamless as possible. Now, within this Analyze section, you'll find two principal views that are incredibly helpful: Summary View and Individual Response View. Starting with the question summaries, you'll notice that Surveymonkey provides dynamic charts and graphs for all your close-ended questions. This feature allows you to quickly visualize the overall patterns and trends within your data. For example, if you asked respondents to rate their satisfaction with a product, a bar chart will instantly display the percentage of respondents who chose each satisfaction level. It's a fantastic way to get a bird's-eye view of your responses and spot any immediate trends. On the other hand, if you're interested in digging into the nitty-gritty details of each reply, you have the option to explore individual responses. Here, you can toggle between a comprehensive table view that lays out all responses in a single glance, or you can opt to sift through answers one at a time using the single view. This can be particularly useful if you're interested in understanding specific respondents' feedback or need to verify individual entries. Additionally, the Individual Response View not only shows you what each respondent answered, but also provides metadata like response status, indicating if a survey has been fully completed, and the time taken to complete it, adding an extra layer of depth to your analysis. With these tools at your disposal, you'll be well equipped to both identify key insights and delve into more detailed analysis, thereby enhancing your understanding of the data. Whether it's for a simple project or a detailed research study, mastering these features can significantly enrich your data analysis process. So, there you have it, a clear and comprehensive guide to analyzing your survey results on Surveymonkey. Hopefully, this helps you make the most of your survey data and drives meaningful decision-making in your work or project. Thank you for watching, and happy analyzing.